Welcome everybody to this tutorial on PowerPoint presentation. In this occasion I will deal with animations. Okay, let me try to explain you very briefly what animations are like. If you go to the menu that says Animations and you click on it, these new buttons will be seen. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to teach you. Look at the slide in the middle. These are different type of animations that we can have. So, how can we do this? Okay, first you include this is an image, this is a shape with some text inside, and this is a text box. So I'm going to click on the image and click on the button that says Custom Animation. You will have this side or this sector open. And here is where you're going to add the effect. You've got the effect to enter the slide as an emphasis or to exit the slides. Or you can also give some motions. Let's focus on entrance. Here you will have some options, but if you click on More Effects, this window will be displayed with all the effects that you have. Some basic effects, subtle, moderate, exciting, etc. In this case, what I've chosen for the image was the bounce effect. You click on it, you will see that it will show you what the effect does. If I choose boomerang, for example, it will enter like this, spin. So you can see what the effects do just by clicking on them. Because I have checked this preview effect. Once you have selected the one that you want, you press OK. And you will see that here you have this is the first effect that we will have in the slide. The speed is medium. You can change it to fast, very fast, etc. And you can tell the computer that if you want the effect to be produced when you click, with the previous effect or after the previous effect. Let's leave it on click. But I want this text to appear after the image. So I will choose Effects and I will choose, I don't know, box. That is the effect that will take place, and you see that you've got a number 2. So if I press play, it'll show me the different effects. Yes, you see that the text hasn't been animated yet, so it's there on the slide. And the numbers indicate the order in which the effects will take place. Or imagine you want number 1 and number 2 to have the effect at the same time. You click on number 2. And instead of choosing to start on click, you choose with the previous one. And you will see that they have the same number. So when you press play, the two will have the effects at the same time. And for the text, I click on the text. You will see that the dashed line appears. I click on the dashed line and I add effect. I'm going to choose an emphasis one. I'm going to tell them to blink. Again, if you go to more effects, you'll have the list of all the different possibilities, and if the checked is here in preview effect, you will see the effect that it takes. Let's see if you can really, well, it doesn't show it so now. So we will choose, I will cancel, and I will choose for the text, I will choose emphasis blink. You see, this is what it does. Again, you can change the speed, and a tip, if you double click on the effect, you will have some more options for you to set or define. For example, I can tell it to repeat until click. I press OK, and I'll show you what the you see, it is blinking. So I'll show you what the effect is like. If you want the 3 things to happen at the same time, again, you click on number 2, which is the text, and you tell with the previous one. And you press play and you'll see that the 3 take place at the same time. Well, I hope this has been useful.